Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. And today, I'm gonna be trying out my friend's cosmetic line. Her name is Saika Banks. And, you know, supporting my friend, but I honestly like this look. I honestly like how everything came out. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to see how I got this look and how I feel about her products, then keep her Shape Tape and Tan Sand. One of my favorite concealers right now. I got chunky glitter from her. Neon pink. I think I'm gonna put that on my eyes today. I might use the chunky glitter, but we'll see. Morphe M443. Just pack that all on the lid and then buff it out. I'm gonna try to make them relatively the same because I saw in my last makeup video the fall smoky look. They were not the same. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I posted it. But whatever, y'all get the gist. Right. Ooh, child, look at that pink. Yeah, it's definitely a neon pink. A lot of kickback, which is good. Ooh, that's too much. I'm gonna wing it out because you know I like a wing. Look at all that. I'm gonna go in with the pink from the Patrick Star and just buff out the edge. Ooh, that kind of looks nice. Let's get into it. You want a little show? We can keep it low. Let me know you're ready to go. Keep it moving. Let me close it because last time I didn't close a product, that thing ended up all over the place, and it was neon yellow. Since I don't have the right tools for the chunky glitter, I'm gonna have to buy some tools for the chunky glitter. I'm gonna use the Starstruck liquid eyeliner and just line the eye. I clean it up. So now I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye and I'll be right back. That's all I got because that's all I have of her shadow shades. The chunky glitter, I would like to like precisely put it on there. I don't want to just throw it on there, you know what I mean? I'm gonna prime my face with the Fenty primer. Let's get into this love. Girl, don't be shy. Let me take you for a ride. If you don't know which way to go, all you got. So what we're really here for is the foundation. Like I never use a foundation stick, is what it is. It says Starstruck Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Fawn. It says weightless foundation stick. Show off your glow and hashtag Starbabe for a chance to be featured. This is what the packaging looks like. You got a holographic film to it, and you get this much product. That's a lot of product right there for $27. Champagne with the lights low. Baby, I know what you're looking. The shade is looking like my Fenty shade. I know you're afraid that I'm just another play with the right words. Same shit that you just heard. But girl, let me erase that. Her concealers were sold out, so I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty. The difference between a boy and a man. I keep forgetting to set my face. I'm gonna go in with the translucent face powder that she has, and I'm gonna set my face with that. Why don't you stop holding everything back? I'm the one that you won't regret. We're the only ones here. I'm gonna go in with her contour powder shade. Contour powder and honey. I got honey because I got honey in the Fenty. But it's kind of dark. I don't know. Okay, not too bad. Okay, I like that.
into it. You want a little show? We can keep it low. Let me know you're ready to go. Keep it moving. I can tell you a bad girl. Let's get into a little trouble. Show improving. You want me to flex for you, girl? See what I got up next for you, girl. Drink up, we can link up and leave the rest for you, girls. Let me show ya the difference between a boy and a man. I need you to understand what it feels like. I don't mean to control ya, but I think I got you where I want. Why don't you stop holding everything back? I'm the one that you won't regret. We're the only.
I'm gonna go in with the Fenty set powder in the shade Honey because I'm scared. Or should I just do it? Should I just do it, babe? Going with her set powder. Go all in, he said.
Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love affair.
The Translucent setting powder is $21. Her setting powder is $21 also.
All you gotta do is follow. Grab my hand, don't take it slow. Ain't nobody has to know.
This is what I'm talking about. It left like a chalky. The eyeliner is $10, and this glides on really good, and it's really thick and black. So I really like this one. The foundation, I give it a 9.5 because it's really good. But would I switch it out for my Fenty? I don't know just yet. So I'm gonna line my lips with the Aaliyah. So then go in with the lingerie.
Champagne with the lights low. Baby, I know what you're looking for.
The Aaliyah's Brooklyn Born Lip Gloss.
I know you're afraid that I'm just another play with the right words. Same shit that you just heard. But girl, I
think that comes up strong. That's a lot.
Cause all I need is just 1 minute.
Should have put it on my hand first.
The difference between a boy and a man. I need you to understand.
So overall, I like this foundation. I should have never used her setting powder. I should have just left that on my face because it's like a little bit drying under my eye over top the concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Star Pink again and just go under the eye, under the waterline.
Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into it. You want a little show? We can keep it low. Let me know you're ready to go. Keep it moving. I can tell you a bad girl. Let's get into a little trouble. Show improving. You want me to flex for you?
I look a little bit different. It's because this is my second time doing this look, so it might look a little bit different. On the lips, I just left the Arrowhead by MAC. Line my lips with the Aaliyah lip liner, and I'm gonna put the Aaliyah gloss on here. Set my face with the setting spray. The reason why I had to do this look twice is because my eyes started tearing once again. It just messed up the whole look, but I'm gonna use her highlighter. Put that on my nose. Oh, okay, I like that.
Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love affair.
Yeah, so I definitely like her foundation. I would definitely buy it again whenever I do run out of this. I would definitely switch off with my Fenty and the Starstruck contour powder. I really like this too. The link will be down below to her website. If you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, peace.